Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Pottery Lane in Newcastle, where a £121 million transformation is reshaping the Newcastle skyline. Pottery Lane is set to become the city's largest multifamily development, delivering 519 high-quality build-to-rent apartments, occupying a prime waterfront location along the River Tyne. So, let's break the project down. Spanning 325,000 square feet, Pottery Lane is being delivered in two phases by Olympian Homes. The first 11-storey block, with 292 private units, is set for completion in Q4 of 2026, followed by a 6-storey building with 227 homes in 2027. This riverside community will offer top-tier amenities, including a gym, co-working spaces, rooftop terraces, and even a cinema room. Now, let's take a closer look at the construction. The 4 core lift shafts are already rising varying heights, ranging from the 11th floor down to the 6th floor, giving us a clear view of how the development is taking shape. It's incredible to see the scale of this project coming together. These form the structural backbone of the buildings. Made of reinforced concrete, these cores house lifts, stairwells, and service risers, providing stability while supporting the floors, which effectively hang from them. You can see floors taking shape at different stages across the site. Using reinforced concrete slabs, each floor is securely anchored to the core, ensuring structural integrity and fire resistance, critical in high-rise developments. You can also see the shuttering around the columns that will support the floor above. This is a massive project, and we'll be tracking its progress, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update, and feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.